Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in the news today, well, we have a new fiscal year that's starting for Microsoft, and we've got 4,800 layoffs. That's 2.1% of the workforce of Microsoft. First thing Microsoft wanted to say is that these jobs are not going to be replaced by AI. The jobs that are cut, well, 1,600 are cut immediately across Microsoft, and it mostly is salespersons and all sorts of people, not really anyone that's in the development or working on projects. So it's really the sales force mostly that is actually being fired. But in that 4,800 layoffs, the where it hurts is Xbox. 3,200 jobs, 3,200 jobs are Xbox jobs. Xbox has been having a hard time. It's not selling well, and even its Game Pass is having issues. And I know I'm one of those. When the Game Pass price hike was major a few months ago, I was one of the first that said, okay, now it's not worth it, the price that I'm going to pay every month. I'd rather buy games here and there, and it's going to be less expensive. So I got out, and a lot of people got out. Apparently, millions got out of Xbox Game Pass. So that hurt the company a lot. So what they're saying is that Xbox is going to start kind of from scratch, trying to, be smaller, because apparently some of the decisions sometimes went through 14 different layers of people that actually were working on projects. And they say, that's way too much for, making projects. It's too complicated. So can they turn Xbox around? That's something that we are hoping for, because I think competition is good. And we know that a future new Xbox is in the works. So we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, a lot of people not happy today at Microsoft. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.